This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can change the screen timeout value to never on this device. First order of business is to install the app that allows us to do so, since using the default system settings the highest we can go is 30 minutes, I think. So let's get the app. The app's name is Caffeine. And not only it allows you to set the screen timeout value to never, it also allows you just to set bigger and even custom auto screen off values, or idle time values rather. Anyway, let's quickly get the app, then you gotta launch it. Over here, make sure that the timeout field or parameter is set at the infinite value, and as long as you do not turn off the Caffeine app, so make sure that it stays active in the background or it is in the list of recent apps, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.